So, Jeremy, who is Jumo?
So Jumo is a fintech platform that partners with large banks and mobile network operators to solve the teething issue of unequal access to finance across Africa. And the way we do this is by leveraging advanced data analytics and predictive models to be able to gauge a customer's propensity to take and repay a loan or simply access a financial service. So far, we've served over 27 million customers across the continent. We are present in 9 different markets so far and counting.
So, how exactly does it work? Do you work with banks and other financial services providers to roll out and offer your services?
So we work with banks and telcos. We run a tripartite model where the banks provide the funding for the loans, and then the telcos provide access to the mobile money customer base. So the banks commit their balance sheet. We are the tech provider in the middle that does the credit scoring, the underwriting, the collections, the disbursement, and the telco provides the customer base with their KYC and their data. So the banks trust us to use their funding to find the specific customers that they themselves could not find across the regions that we're present in.
Of course, there are still many across the continent that still are not able to access modern financial services. Do you believe fintechs like yourselves and others are really going to be the answer to this problem?
100%. So even Jumo, being a relatively small player within the larger financial ecosystem, is serving over 27 million customers to date. We are disbursing about $3 million worth of loans on a daily basis. In Ghana, which is quite a small population market, we are disbursing 30,000 loans every single day. Now, even with that, we are really scratching the surface, and there's more room, there's more customers that have not been served, and we are just serving less than 10% of the actual eligible base. So there's more than enough room for more players like Jumo, or even for Jumo to serve a lot of these people that we've not yet reached, but are definitely eligible for us to reach. All we need is support, and we'll be able to do this.
Jeremy, please tell me what more you think governments and regulators in Africa can do to help fintechs like yourselves and others to be able to roll out products and reach out to more people.
What we need is a regulatory environment that is enabling, regulation that doesn't allow us to just play without regulation, without oversight, but doesn't over-regulate us so that we are stifled. Ghana, for example, has a regulator that has a Fintech and Innovation Office that grants you licensing, and they are also innovating to the point where they allow you to come in their Fintech sandbox so that they can watch what you're doing and then create policies that support you. So if governments create that enabling environment, it allows us to access more customers, it allows us to deploy more capital into the ecosystem, it allows us to solve more pain points for MSMEs, individuals who need emergency credit. And we're trying to get more women on board into the financial system, and governments can create that enabling environment by providing capital, providing a regulatory environment, and just understanding the role of fintechs in building that SME ecosystem that is the backbone of our entire economy. So all help is welcome, especially from government and regulators.
Well done and all the best.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Pleasure.